Hey tech lovers, welcome back to D-Nexus-Solutions, your go-to hub for the coolest, smartest, and most game-changing gadgets on Amazon. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech finds. Today, we're diving into 10 tech gadgets you will love to have in 2025. From cutting-edge cleaning companions to powerful pocket storage, sleek audio gear, and everything in between, we've got a lineup you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Meet the Yeedi S14 Plus, a robot vacuum and mop that's more like a cleaning assistant than a gadget. With a massive 18,000 Pascal suction power and advanced Zero Tangle 2.0 technology, it glides under furniture and into tight spots, saying goodbye to hair tangles and stubborn messes. The Osmo roller spins at 200 RPM, scrubbing like a pro while leaving your floors fresh and spotless. And here's the real magic: the all-in-one smart station with hot water washing and self-drying, so your mop stays clean without you lifting a finger. Black and rose gold elegance meets serious cleaning muscle. The Yeedi S14 Plus isn't just smart, it's brilliant. You can check it out now on Amazon, link in the description. And while your floors are staying spotless thanks to the Yeedi S14 Plus, let's talk about keeping the rest of your home just as cared for, and that means security. Meet the Rayneo Duo 3 Wi-Fi, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide security camera that gives you eyes on everything day or night. With two 4K image sensors, an f1.6 large aperture, and 8 spotlights, it delivers crisp, vibrant visuals even after dark thanks to color and infrared night vision. Its 180-degree panoramic view, powered by dual-lens image stitching, means no blind spots and minimal distortion. Smart detection tells the difference between people, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alarms, and the two-way talk lets you respond instantly. Plus, it's Wi-Fi 6 ready for a faster, more stable connection and stores footage locally with up to 512 gigabytes of micro SD storage. Weatherproof and built to last, the Rayneo Duo 3 Wi-Fi is your round-the-clock guardian, rain or shine. So now, your home is clean, secure, and smart. But let's add one more thing to make it truly complete: the perfect ambiance. This is the Jambo 16-inch beautiful lamp, a mesmerizing liquid motion light that turns any room into a calm, magical retreat. With a silver base, blue liquid, and yellow-green wax, it creates a soothing dance of colors as the wax warms, rises, and gently falls, shifting from yellow to green in a hypnotic flow. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to last for years while providing endless visual relaxation. Whether for your living room, bedroom, or office, it's effortless to set up. Just plug it in and let the soft, ever-changing glow transform your space. Perfect as a gift for adults or kids, the Jambo lamp isn't just decor, it's a mood, a vibe, and a statement piece that keeps the magic alive day after day. We've cleaned, secured, and set the mood. Now it's time to bring the entertainment home in a big way. This is the Aurzen Boom Mini Google TV projector, your all-in-one gateway to epic movie nights and immersive streaming. With built-in Google TV, you can instantly access over 10,000 apps, from Netflix to Disney Plus, without any extra streaming stick. It's 4K supported with 500 ANI lumens for sharp, vibrant visuals, whether indoors or under the stars. The native 1080p resolution, HDR10, and real-time focus keep every frame crystal clear, while the 20-watt Dolby audio speakers fill your space with rich, cinematic sound. Its 110-degree flexible tilting gimbal stand means you can set up anywhere: living room, backyard, or even a cozy bedroom wall. Compact, powerful, and ready to stream straight out of the box. The Aurzen Boom Mini turns any spot into your personal theater. We've brought the cinema home, now let's take you inside the action. This is the Roto VR Motion Gaming Chair, the ultimate upgrade for your virtual reality setup. Designed for MetaQuest, Oculus, PC VR, and more, it delivers a fully immersive 360-degree experience with head tracking and full-body haptics that sync your physical movements with the game world. Its patented look and turn technology lets you navigate VR environments simply by turning your body. No clunky controller spins needed. Built to reduce motion sickness, it keeps you comfortable in extended gaming sessions, while the ergonomic design and adjustable features ensure it fits you perfectly. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel and durable materials, this chair is built for serious gamers who want more than just to play. They want to live the game. And when it's time to step out of the virtual world and get down to business, you'll want something that's just as powerful in the real one. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6, a business laptop built for serious performance on the move. Weighing just 2.72 pounds yet meeting MIL STD 81H military-grade durability, it's tough enough for daily use anywhere. Inside, the Snapdragon X Elite processor and a massive 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM deliver lightning-fast multitasking, while the 1 terabyte PCIe SSD keeps your files ready in an instant. The 14-inch FHD Plus anti-glare display offers vivid color and supports multiple external monitors, making it perfect for presentations or creative workflows. With up to 16 hours of battery life, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and a backlit keyboard with fingerprint security, this laptop is as versatile as it is powerful. Whether you're at the office, in a coffee shop, or traveling the globe, the T14 Gen 6 is ready to keep up. But why keep your screen on a desk when you can wear it on your face? These are the Rayneo Air 3 SAR by XR glasses, a next-gen wearable theater and gaming display that puts a massive 201-inch virtual screen right in front of your eyes. Featuring a HuView micro OLED display with 98% DCI P3 color, 422 color accuracy, and 120 Hz refresh rate, they deliver rich, vivid visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or multitasking. With multiple display modes, including game mode for ultra-smooth action, movie mode for cinematic color, and standard mode for everyday use, they adapt instantly to whatever you're doing. Built-in dual speakers with Whisper Mode 2.0 keep audio crisp and private, while the design blocks 99.6% of ambient light so you can enjoy content even in bright spaces. Compatible with iPhone, Android, Mac, PS5, Switch, and Steam Deck, these glasses bring your entertainment anywhere you go. No bulky monitor required. Of course, all that content has to live somewhere, and preferably in your pocket. This is the Sandisk 256GB Ultra Dual Drive, a compact, high-speed storage solution built for both USB Type-C and traditional USB devices. Perfect for quickly moving files between smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops, it frees up space on your Android device with simple plug-and-play convenience. The retractable design protects both connectors, while USB 3.1 speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second keep your transfers fast and frustration-free. Whether you're offloading photos, backing up documents, or carrying your entire media library, the Sandisk Ultra Dual Drive is proof that massive storage doesn't have to take up massive space. And when your workspace or your whole home needs cleaning, why not let a robot handle the heavy lifting? Meet the Dreame X50 Ultra, a flagship robot vacuum and mop that practically takes care of itself. With an incredible 20,000 pascals of suction power, it pulls dust and debris from deep within carpets and hard floors alike. Its advanced 360-degree navigation and obstacle avoidance system means it glides around furniture with precision, even tackling tricky corner-to-edge cleaning with a detangling brush that resists hair wrap. And it doesn't stop at vacuuming. The X50 Ultra also mops, auto-empties its dustbin, and even cleans its own mop pad so you don't have to. From marble to wood to tile, It adapts to every surface, giving you spotless floors with zero effort. It's more than a smart cleaner. It's your full-time floor care assistant. And for your workouts, commutes, or just all-day listening, here's audio that stays with you without shutting out the world. These are the Oritizan open-ear Bluetooth 5.3 headphones, lightweight, air conduction sport earbuds that deliver premium sound without blocking your ear canal. Weighing just 19 grams, they're built with aviation-grade silicone for a pressure-free fit, perfect for running, cycling, and training. Air conduction technology directs sound precisely into your ear for a rich, immersive listening experience while keeping you aware of your surroundings. With IPX6 waterproofing, they're ready for rain, sweat, and tough workouts. You get up to 10 hours of playtime on a full charge, and just 10 minutes of fast charging gives you an extra hour. The built-in microphone with noise reduction ensures crystal clear calls, and the latest Bluetooth 5.3 keeps your connection stable and your audio lag-free. Comfortable, durable, and built for movement, Oritizan keeps your soundtrack playing wherever you go. And that wraps up our look at today's most exciting tech finds. Which one was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what caught your eye. If you enjoyed this showcase, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next drop of game-changing gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.